Big salute to all of my veterans out here, man. Big shout out to all of my subscribers. Man, like I tell you guys, I can't go a video without saying how much I appreciate you. Big salute to DAT, man. If you guys haven't went out and signed up for that 30-day free trial with DAT, go click the description box below. I'm going to teach you guys in minutes off the whiteboard how to start your trucking company. Once you start that trucking company, you will need to have access to a load board. And why not? You know, get those first 30 days free. I don't want to waste no time. I got new subscribers, and I'm telling you, man, there's people out here that's inspired, motivated to get off into this trucking industry, but you guys might not really know the steps. So I'm going to break it down in minutes so that you guys can gain that confidence to go out and start your trucking company. So let's move over to this whiteboard real quick. Trucking company 2022. What is needed to start a trucking company in the year 2022? I'm gonna tell you guys, it don't take a CDL license. So there's a lot of people that want to start a trucking company. I'm gonna tell you guys out here, you don't have to have your Class A CDL license to go get your motor carrier number, which is your authority, you know, too. So anyone out here could start a trucking company if you guys want to earn passive income. Maybe some of you guys right now have like a 9-to-5 job, but you just want to, you know, find another way to acquire another source of income. That's how I looked at it when I came into the business, when I still was serving on active duty in the Army. I just started my trucking company to create passive, you know, well, you could say passive income in a way, but you're still going to work for it. You know, passive income is basically making income and making money while you sleep, you know, but for you guys, you're just going to be making another source of income, and we can call it additional income, right? So like I said, don't take a Class A CDL license to start an actual trucking company. I'm about to teach you guys right now on how to start a trucking company. The first thing is that you want to do is to form your LLC, which is your limited liability company. Before you start any business, it don't matter what it is and what industry, always form your LLC first. And you guys could get that LLC, like I told you, for pretty much, I'm not going to say for free, because you will have to pay the filing fee, but I wouldn't recommend going out finding anyone to, you know, get your LLC for you, because you guys could do this yourself by going to the Secretary of State, you know, Business Services website, which in whatever state that you're in, you know. So if you're in Indiana right now, just Google Secretary of State Business Services in Indiana. Make sure you go into that .gov website, and you guys will form that LLC in about 10 or 15 minutes. Some states are instant approval when we're talking about approving your LLC. Some states will make you wait a few days or maybe even a few weeks. You know, contact your state for more information. The next thing you want to do is go get your EIN number. So you're going to have people out here, of course, that's going to market their business to charge you to go get your EIN number, which is not going to be very expensive. But you guys could just go directly on the IRS.gov website and apply for your employer identification number, EIN number, and you're going to get that automatic too. You know, instant approval on your EIN number. The next step is to open up your business bank account. I might do some abbreviating. So business bank account, you know. Once you complete these 3 steps right here, you guys will have pretty much an active and a legit business, you know. So now let's roll off into starting up, you know, the actual trucking company for you guys out here. Like I'm telling you guys, real quick video, man. I'm going to help you guys build some confidence out here. So once you guys form your LLC, get your EIN number, open up your business bank account. Also, you could add on your Duns and Bradstreet number up here too. I'll recommend getting your Duns and Bradstreet number. Now, let's roll off into the actual process of starting this trucking company. You want to start searching for equipment. Search for trucks and trailers. So I'll recommend for you guys to start your search and start doing your research on what type of truck do you want? What do you want to do in this business? Do you guys want to run box trucks? Do you want to run hot shots? Do you guys want to run semis? You know, cargo vans, sprinters? I mean, what is it that you guys want to do? What type of trucking do you want to do? You know, so you want to start narrowing it down on what type of trucks and trailers do you want. You know, start getting specific on how much money do you want to spend, how many mileage, you know, what's the mileage do you want your trucks to not exceed, you know, that you're looking for. So this is going to be something that's going to start basically creating the overhead. You know, there's a lot of overhead in the trucking industry. Once you go out and buy your truck and your trailer, you have to pay every month for that truck and that trailer, whether you financed it or if you paid cash for it, you're still trying to recoup, you know, that investment, you know, so that this turns into overhead. You know, let's roll off into, after you guys search for trucks and trailers, like I said, you have to narrow it down on what type of, you know, trucking do you want to do. Once you find your truck and your trailer, apply for your authority. So we also call it a MC number, which is your motor carrier number, you know. So you're going to apply for your MC number, which is your authority, through the FMCSA website, Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. That's going to cost you $300 to get your authority. That authority application will take you about an hour. Once you apply for your authority through the FMCSA, Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration website, you're going to want to go get your BOC3, which is a processing agent. And that should be about $25. Once you get your BOC3 on file, the next thing is to go get your commercial insurance. This is a big one right here. Commercial insurance. This is what is going to either make or break you. That's how I'm gonna put it. With your commercial insurance, all depending on your location, what region are you in the world is going to determine your actual premium and how much are you going to have to pay, you know, based off of your quote. You know, so there's people that's in the state of Florida that is going to pay a ridiculous rate versus someone that is up in Indiana. You know, so you guys want to start doing your research right now on these different commercial insurance companies out here, so you can ensure that you're getting the best rate, best price. A lot of commercial insurance companies out here don't want to do business with new trucking companies, so you're going to be forced to only go with basically a handful of different trucking companies until you guys complete that first year. Once you complete that first year, then other commercial insurance companies, you know, they will take you on. It's going to take, basically, to get your authority active, it's going to take you to apply for your authority for your $300, get your BOC3, and get your commercial insurance. And this is what's going to activate your authority. You could go apply for your authority and have your commercial insurance on file, but not your BOC3, and your authority won't go active. It's going to take for you to have a BOC3 and commercial insurance on file for your authority to become active. 2. So this is what it's going to take for you guys out here to start your trucking company. And this, all of this right here, how I feel is just basic things you have to do to start your trucking company. There is so much more that goes into starting your trucking company too. But you will have an active authority when you apply for your MC number, get your BOC3 and your commercial insurances on file. You will have an active authority, but there's going to be plenty more that you need to do. So in a future video, I will share with you guys out here what else is it going to be needed, you know, to operate this trucking company. Man, I'm talking about drug consortium, UCR, ELD, just to name a few, hiring drivers, making sure that they're qualified. I'm going to be getting more in detail in another video, but this is video right here, at least, you know, should help you guys start out on the right path and getting your business up and running. So if anyone have any questions, looking for any mentorship, send me an email. Send me a text message, 317-953-8943. Go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. Go get your 30-day free trial with DAT. Go sign up with TAFS, Transcend Financial Services. If you guys are looking for a factoring service out here, also, if you guys are freight brokers looking for a factoring service, go sign up with Axel Payments. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.